Welcome back, Airbnb family. I'm the fuzzy guy in your TV right now. I'm going to teach you how to set up a Amazon Fire Stick in a way that will save you a lot of money on your cable bill by no longer needing your cable. So what I have is I have a smart TV here, and attached to it I have a Fire Stick. I pay $40 for my Amazon Prime account once per year, I think, right? It's $40 per year, which is really, really small. And I use this one Amazon Prime account on about 25 devices. What Amazon Prime does for you is it allows you to watch, different channels like HBO, Showtime, different movies and stuff. So like Game of Thrones is super popular, right? And so is Westworld. So we can go in right now and we can just watch Westworld, right, for free. So when you have things like Westworld and Game of Thrones and just a bunch of Prime movies and stuff just like this, there's no real need to have a cable package, right? So that's really why I'm showing you this. But there's something that you need to do to protect yourself, because somebody could go in and they could go buy stuff, right? So they could go to probably on demand. I'm sure that's somewhere down here. So rent or buy, popular movies, right? So somebody goes to buy this movie, not this one. Let's see, 50 Shades Darker. See if that one costs money. It should have a cost to it. This one does not. Cool. 50 Shades Darker is free. So if we go down, well, I guess because we have Prime, a lot of these movies are free, which is actually really awesome. When something's not free, there it is, rent for $5.99, or buy for $9.99. Watch me try to rent it. It wants a PIN. This is what you want to set up, is this PIN protection. So let me show you how to do this. This way, right now, nobody can just go in and use your credit card on your Prime account. But everything else that they just wanted to watch, like Fantastic Beasts and some fun stuff right here, all this is free. So let's go up to settings and show you how to get this done. So settings up top. You want to go to preferences, and there would not be a PIN set up yet, so we're setting it up now. So you're going to go to parental controls. You're going to turn parental controls on, PIN protection for purchases on, PIN protection for app launches off, and then go to viewing restrictions. Normally it's set up like this, where teen and mature movies will be restricted, where they would need a PIN for that. But what we're going to do is we're going to unlock both of those. So now, no matter what somebody wants to watch, as long as it's free, they can. And that's essentially what you need to do. So that's parental controls. Data monitoring, I shut that off because I think that's just kind of sketchy. The Big Brother's always watching you. And that should actually cover it. So if you want to download Kodi, which is an app that allows you to jailbreak it, you want to go to developer options, and you're going to put apps from unknown sources on. That's one thing that you want to do. Then you would go in to search, and you're going to search for an app called the Downloader app. And I'm going to open it up for you right now just so you can see it. But for those of you who don't know what Kodi is this one that's white and blue here. It allows you to stream new movies. It's kind of like an underground thing. So stuff that should cost money you can get for free. So the quick way to go do this is you would go to the Downloader app. It's orange and white. Let me show it to you. Right here, Downloader. You'd go into here and you'd go to http://Kodi.tv. And so let me log into that for you so you can see. From there are other YouTube videos that'll teach you how to download completely and set up Kodi, which is, of course, on you if you want to do it. So let's go up here and delete all this. So Kodi is spelled KODI.TV. So you go to Kodi. I've already downloaded this, but essentially what you're going to do is you're going to go down to Android here, because it runs on Android software. And you're going to go down and you're going to go to older versions, older releases here, and you click on this. Then you're going to go to Android once again, and you're going to go to the ARM, and you're going to choose the newest one. Currently it's 17.6. and you would download this, which I already did, and that's what's going to give you Kodi. The next thing you want to look up is how to use repositories. You open up repositories inside of Kodi, and that's what allows you to watch movies. One other pro tip, if you're going to use Kodi, you need something like IPVanish. This costs me $10 per month to mask the IP of my devices, but I've been using it on unlimited number of devices. So I use IPVanish for all of my devices. So I have probably 30 devices that I use my IPVanish on, and it costs me $10 a month for that, and then $40 a year for my Amazon Prime. So that is $160 a year, and all of my apartments have a $40 Amazon Fire Stick, and it costs me $160 a year for all of them. And this way, instead of having to pay for cable per apartment, which could be $50 or $60, you are now saving this much money. The only other thing is you just get a local channels through your antenna, and you'll need to do a tutorial for your guest on how to use an Amazon Fire Stick. So hopefully this was helpful to you all. If you have any other questions on ways to reduce costs, or you want to spitball an idea or whatever, feel free to leave it in the comments, and I will see if I can test your theories or questions on other ways to save money on your Airbnb listing. So thank you once again for watching Airbnb Automated, and I will see you on the other side.